Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anubhuti and I love to talk about everything beauty related. I love to do product reviews and I love to get use out of my makeup collection more efficiently, and I love to do a lot of project planning content here on my YouTube channel since past 2 years. So if those are the things you are interested in, please make sure to subscribe before jumping into today's video. I can't believe I leveled up. Okay, but did I? Let's find out. So, as you know from the title, today I'm here with my May month update for my project Level Up. If you don't know what project Level Up is, it is basically an eyeshadow palette focused project pan created by beautiful Sophie Alexandra here on YouTube. I will link her channel and also everything related to the project pan down in the description box below, like always, in case you're interested to check it out. So basically it is a combination of pan those eyeshadows and no pan left behind. So for each level you have to use each eyeshadow in that palette number of times the level you are at, and also you have to hit same number of coats. So for example, for level 1 you have to use each eyeshadow one time and then hit one pan. For level 2 you have to use each eyeshadow two times and then hit two pans, and so on and so forth. I'm someone who's very light-handed with makeup and really have trouble hitting pans. I don't like to take my pans or whatever subas. So that means I have really trouble hitting pan. I'm just super light-handed, let's say it. So I checked with Sophie and she was okay. I'm doing kind of a light version of this project pan. So I am still sticking to the theme of the project. So for level 1, I'm still using each eyeshadow one time and I'm choosing one focus shade to use 10 times. For level 2, I am doing each eyeshadow two times and two focus shades 10 times each. For level 3, three eyeshadows as a focus shade for 10 times each, and all the eyeshadows three times. So yeah, without any further ado, let's talk about the updates. So in the month of March I started this project this year and then I reset it. So for level 1 my pick was Adapt Cosmetics Unity palette, and in month of April I was quite close to my goal. I think only one of the only the focus shade had a couple of uses left, so that is why I decided to level up anyways in last month, because I was sure, because it's just a one shade that I had to manage to meet my goal on and it was quite close, so I thought it would make sense to level up. So that is what I did. And for level 2 my randomized palette was Tarte Glam Gift and Glam Collector Set Holiday, and I have only the 6 shade palette left, which I will show you in a minute. So yeah, so we have still level 1 palette and level 2 palette. So let's talk about both of those. So let's talk about the level 1 palette first. Okay, spoiler, I managed to hit my goal to complete my level 1 on this palette. So this is how the palette looks like. This has 2 rows of metallics and 1 row of matte. This is Adapt Cosmetics Unity palette. And then let's talk about shade by shade. So in the first row I have usage on Unison Utopia 2 times, Tranquility 2 times, Rose Orchid 2 times, Serene Spirit 2 times, and then Balanced Beauty 1 time. In the second row I have Egalitarian Emerald 1 time, Petals 2 times, The Peaceful Path 1 time, Serenade 1 time, Balanced Bond 3 times. The focus shade is called Tranquil Tone and I've reached for it 11 times, so which means I managed to hit my goal on this one as well. Moss I've used 1 time, Mauve's Mist 2 times, Live a Little 1 time, and Balanced Brown 1 time. You see the theme, I am not using darker tone mattes. That's just not my makeup vibe. Also I feel I have neutral undertones, so a lot of colors pull really deep on me for some reason than they do in the pan. But yeah, so if you're keeping the track, I've managed to use each eyeshadow at least one time, and then the focus shade 11 times. So the goal was to use it 10 times, which means I managed to hit my goal of level 1 on this one. So this is finally rolling out. Now let's talk about the level 2 palette that we rolled in the month of April last month, and that was Tarte Gift and Glam. So this was kind of a holiday set that came with this reusable palettes, and that had these kind of like 4 of these palettes that you can swap and use. That was really bad quality, by the way. And I have kind of consolidated it to I kept all my favorite shades from all the palettes, and then I made my own palette. So this is how it looks like. This was my level 2 palette. Okay, so how I was counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So then shade number 1, these 2 mattes were my focus shades. So let's talk about the usage. This shade has 10 uses on it. This was also my focus shade. This shade has 11 uses on it. This shade also has 11 uses on it. And all the 3 metallics have 3 usage on it. So I have used this palette quite a lot, and then these 2 focus shades had, one of them has 10 uses and one of them has 11 uses. So that means I managed to meet my goal of level 2 of using each shade 2 times, and then 2 focus shades 10 times each. So that means we are leveling up. Super happy. So yeah, I did complete my level 1 and level 2 in one go now, and then time for level 3, and I was kind of scared, to be honest. So then because of my filming schedule, I'm not getting enough time to film these days. So then I went ahead and rolled my level 3 palettes. I already know which was it, but when I was randomizing, I was like really scared for it, because level 3 means I have to use each shade 3 times, and then 3 focus shades 10 times each. So that was kind of scary, but I did the screen recording and I will insert it somewhere here. The palette that was randomized was Kaja Beauty Bento number 21, which is cold brew in Spainer, and this is kind of a new from them, and this is how it looks like. This is also quite new in my collection. I got it from Your Style, I think last year. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So it's a trio, which means it still can qualify as a level 3 palette because this has 3 shades, and which means all the 3 of them are going to be focus shades, because this has only 3 shades, which is going to be interesting. So this is how these shades look like. This is the first shade, the second shade, and this is the third shade. So this has 1 matte and 2 metallics. I think it's gonna be quite easy to reach. It's kind of a one and done kind of look, but let's see. So that means this is going to be my level 3 palette. I have to reach for each shade 10 times. That's how it is. I think it's gonna be a tough one. I think it's probably, I will not be able to level up next update. That is it for today's update. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you would be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, have a good day, good night, depending on wherever you are, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.